Leadership opportunities for women have never been more plentiful. Organizations around the world are seeking qualified women for leadership positions in all sorts of different situations. It's a great time to be a woman who wants to be a leader. But it's also a very challenging time for all leaders, because what we see is the environment in which we are leading is changing so rapidly. Technological changes, changes in rules, regulations, changes in the culture, society, the diverse populations that we must deal with. As a leader of many organizations throughout my lifetime, I've experienced the ups and downs of leadership. I've also seen many, many changes. During my time as a leader, I have also developed many workshops that I have presented throughout the United States to women on different aspects of leadership. I wanted to share what I was learning and what I was reading about and keeping up with the literature and the research on the best ways for women to be the most effective leaders they could be. Recently, I updated and reconsidered all the workshops I'd been doing before, and I came up with this workshop, 2-day workshop, which I believe encapsulates the challenges and the different skills that an effective female leader needs today. With other participants, you would be doing exercises where you would learn the pros and cons of different alternatives that are available to a woman leader. What I hope that you would be able to do was to expand your skill set. We all have skills as natural leaders, but you need to expand the options that are available to you. I hope you will join me in this workshop. It also will focus on taking care of yourself, to make sure you are a strong, confident individual who can be a very effective leader. I hope to see you in the workshop. Bye.